Finally working, there we go. Alright guys, now this has taken a while. Parts I've been waiting for, mainly this particular starter belt, and that's about it. But finally I got it to start. Actually, maybe the fuel was also a bit old. I'm running 25%, but let's give it a go. Now, it might be hard to hear, but as you can see, it is in neutral. If I flick this switch, you'll see this little arm. There's this plate. There we go. That's in first. Flick it again to be in neutral. Flick it again, now that's in second. Flick it back down again. A bit of adjustment with that will be in neutral. This one here, flick it like that, and that'll be in third. There we go. First, second, neutral, third. Reverse. Now if I click that, that'll be reverse now. You'll see it's a bit hard to see, but it is going in reverse. Happy days. So that is in neutral, like I said, now first, second, third, neutral and reverse. Thank God it's working. I was getting a little bit worried. But with this gearbox you can rev it, as you can see. Sweet. First, neutral. Second, third, and reverse. Yes, finally working. Here we go. Awesome. Back to neutral. Well, as you can see, yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear me a bit. These are first, second, and neutral, and third and fourth over here. Oh, sorry, third and reverse. So first, back to neutral. Second, back to neutral, and third, back to neutral and reverse. It's been a while since I used it, but see, there we go. Oh man, finally. Just wanted to give you that quick update. And a lot of people are saying, where's the Toyan? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Check out that. That was running rich. Haven't been running all much. Everything's running good. So it's still alive. It's still here, guys. Next up, put some wheels on it and actually see if it actually works. So I would do that today, but look at this. Raining cats and dog all day. Last week actually. So, alright guys, really quick update. It works.